Hi everyone, it's Kristen McCrae. I have a quick project for you to tackle this week, a quick exercise if you're feeling overwhelmed and stressed out due to your disorganization. I want you to grab a pen and paper, head over to the room that's disorganized, and I want you to scan the room and write down everything that's bothering you about this room. It could be the clutter in the room. It could be the disorganization in the room. It could be the color or the furniture placement in the room. Write everything down that's bothering you. Next, I want you to sit in the room and feel the energy in the room. Does this room make you feel depressed or sad? Does it make you feel happy and energetic? Does it make you feel tired? Write that down. Next, I want you to think about and write down what your vision is for this room going forward. Is this a bedroom where you want to feel serene and recharged and be able to have a restful night's sleep in this room? Is it a home office where you want to feel a little more energetic and be productive during the day? So write down what your vision is and also create that purpose. When this room going forward, if it's a kitchen, the kitchen is going to function like a kitchen. It's not going to function like a home office. So I want you to think about creating a purpose for this room going forward. Now that you have this all written down, I want you to go to your calendar and schedule this project on your calendar at a time when you're more productive and less distracted. And then I want you to block off an hour to 3 hours of time during that period. So now you've just created a plan to get organized where you release that mental clutter. You've written down your thoughts on a piece of paper where you're not just jumping in blindfolded and without a plan. So tackle this week. If you're looking to get organized, put this into motion and you'll have a clear plan in place to tackle your disorganization going forward. If you need any help, KristenMcCrae.com, 401-323-1165. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.